Hello students, in today's HR lecture session, we will discuss another important topic, that is retention. So in this lecture session, we will discuss the importance of retention and the role played by the human resource manager in implementation of retention strategies. Employee retention refers to various organization policies and practices which let the employees to stick to a particular organization for a longer time period. The organizations try to keep their employees fully motivated in order to improve employee retention. We can say that job satisfaction and employee engagement are the key factors of employee retention, and the organization is completely at loss when the employees leave their job once they are fully trained. So retention is one of the major components of improving employee loyalty. Employee retention has become a major concern for the business organizations in the current business scenario. So employee retention is very important. The main reasons behind this importance is the process of hiring, as we know, is not easy, and it involves lot of time and funds. The hiring covers the recruitment and selection process, which is quite complex. Then after hiring, the new employees are needed to be trained and groomed. This also involves uses of money and time. The employee who has worked for a longer time period is familiar with the organization policies and strategies. This enables better adjustment as compared to the new employees. So retention is very important for a business organization, as we know that the new hired employee will take time to adjust to a particular organization, and during this time period the productivity of the organization may suffer. So the old employees are, we can say, a great asset to the business organizations, and they are needed to be retained. Then the employee retention also improves the employee loyalty. The retention policies also helps the organization in retaining the highly potential employees who are of great asset to the business organization. So these are the, we can say, the objectives of retention, or the importance of retention to the business organization. Next comes the employee retention strategies. Whenever the employees express willingness to move to another organization, it is the responsibility of the HR manager or the HR department to solve the reasons behind their leaving the organization. So these are some of the important strategies that are helpful in retaining the employees. The first one is job rotation. So this is one of the important strategies to retain the employees. Job rotation helps the employees to learn something new, and it brings newness to the similar daily routine of a job. Then comes, there should be a proper grievance redressal system. So the conflicts between fellow employees or with the seniors are main reason for employee leaving their jobs. Proper grievance redressal machinery should be there in order to sort out the employee issues. Then right person should be at right place. The HR department must ensure that right people are placed at right place. It means the employees should be hired as per the job requirements, and they should be placed for which they are hired. In this, if this principle of right person at right place is not followed, it leads to demotivation and dissatisfaction among the employees. So it hampers the retention process. Then comes the performance appraisals. So performance appraisal is basically the evaluation of employees. It enables the organization to check the capability of employees, and based on the performance appraisal system, the employees can be promoted. It also helps in identifying if any kind of training needs are required by the employees. The salaries and other incentives should be paid at proper time. The increments should be paid as per mentioned during the hiring process. There, then apart from giving the monetary benefits, employee recognition and participation is also important to retain the valuable employees. Finally, the rules and regulations should be made to benefit the employees. This helps the management to gain employee confidence, and it earns the employee loyalty towards the organization. So these are the main strategies that are to be followed in order to retain the employees. The human resource manager or the HR manager is an important link between the employee and the organizations. And the duty of HR manager is to implement various employee retention strategies so that the employees does not leave a particular organizations. So role of HR manager is very important for employee retention. The reasons for employee leaving the organization must be properly identified. The HR managers should sit with an employee to conduct an exit interview to find out the exact reasons for employee leaving the particular organization. Then the HR manager should provide proper grievance redressal system in order to provide solution to the employee issues. The training needs should be properly identified, as proper training improves employee morale. The HR department should also conduct various motivational activities for their employees, as motivated and fully trained employees never leave their job. The HR manager should be reachable to his subordinates. The performance appraisal conducted should be in a proper manner without any kind of biasness. So it is the responsibility of the HR manager to ensure timely payment of salaries and incentives to the employees. The working conditions should also be properly maintained in order to improve the employee morale and satisfaction. Lastly, the HR department should make employee friendly policies, and employees should be regularly consulted while framing these policies. Participation in decision making should also be encouraged by the HR department to improve the employee morale. Hence, we can say that if the link, that is the HR manager, is strong, then the employees never leave their organizations, or we can say that HR manager plays a very important role in employee retention. So we can say that in this competitive business environment, the organization has to face lot of challenges to retain their best employees. These can be in the form of monetary dissatisfaction. The employees are often dissatisfied with the low salaries and incentives which are paid to them. The salaries should be paid as per the prevailing economic conditions. Then sometimes the growth and development opportunities are very less, which is also another reason for dissatisfaction among the employees, and they prefer switching their jobs. Then the retaining of high potential employees is another major challenge for the business organizations. These employees are often poached by the competitors. The expectations of these employees are also higher, and they are not fully satisfied with the conditions or with the payment of salaries or incentives they are getting in a particular organization. Then certain problems may rise when a right person is into, we can say, a wrong profile, or we can say if the right person is not at a right place. Then some of the individuals or the employees have tendency to get bored in a short span of time. They always prefer to change jobs after certain kind of time period. So once the organization is able to overcome these challenges, the retention of employees becomes easier for them. So this is all in today's lecture session related to employee retention. Thank you.